This split focus shot highlights the division. Process A handles the main structure, while Process B
a day. This high-speed carbide tool achieves a mirror-like finish, showcasing the rapid material removal rate critical for
The titanium housing sections are immersed in specialized heated fluid, where powerful ultrasonic transducers vibrate to
The JF-17 Thunder's modular design allows parallel installation. Here we see the heat-resistant titanium.
A worker carefully connects a high-pressure hydraulic line coupling within the wheel well area, ensuring the tight, leak-proof.
The engine slides smoothly into the precisely aligned titanium mounting frame, demonstrating the efficacy of the modular design.
I'm rotating the probe now. Blades look clean.
Confirmed. No FOD on the turbine. We are clear for closing the panel.
The specialized laser projection system displays the placement for the final national insignia. A worker then applies.
Hydraulic systems check complete. Gear is green.
Confirmed. Moving to flaps.
Thrust output is nominal.
Fuel flow and EGT steady. Process A is verified.
All parameters green. Process A certification complete. The aircraft is ready for delivery. With the airframe sealed away, Process A concludes, allowing the team to focus on the specialized modular electronic components.
A definitive shift confirms Process A is complete. The production pipeline is now dedicated exclusively.
Unlike the rapid milling of the airframe, this process is slow and meticulous, ensuring micron-level tolerances for the electronic warfare pod housing.
Suspended on the specialized rail system, the titanium and aluminum housings enter the booth, where a precise robotic
The delivery of the JF-17 Thunder's electronic warfare pods bridges the gap between factory and frontline, showcasing the robustness of the supply chain.
Micro adjustments now. Watch the clearance. We have green on the forward mount. Secure the locks.
With the EW pod securely mounted, the FC-1 Xiaolong taxis toward the launch point, showcasing advanced modularity and mission readiness.
The electronic warfare pod's parameters are set here. We initiate the jamming sequence at waypoint 3.
Confirmed. That covers the critical zone for the ingress phase.
Bay 4 is green. Get that equipment clear.
Affirmative. Falcon 2 ready for taxi.
With successful deployment confirmed, the fleet ensures air superiority, highlighting the platform's high-tech, low-cost modularity.